My name is Rudra Kagrecha. I am Supan Shah
I am Yana Bhandari. I am Yashvi Harya.
from Lokamala Foundation School.
from Anil Tanya High School.
From Pawar Public School.
I am here to attend Design Thinking Workshop.
The Children's Academy International School. There were trained professionals and guest speakers who came in and taught us different skills.
It was a very engaging session with Ronit sir.
I learned many great things all about entrepreneurship and business.
We did a lot of hands-on activities and worked as a group many a times.
I won in 2 of those activities. I learned marketing and other aspects which I didn't learn in school.
Through these activities, we learned several aspects of business management. I was coming with new ideas how to make a product about and how to advertise it. It improved my leadership, communication and team building skills.
This workshop shows how coordination is important in the success of any of the business.
And it was a great time here and I had fun meeting new people and all the teachers were great.
It was indeed a very good experience.
Fun time I enjoyed in the workshop.
It was overall a beautiful experience and I would definitely recommend IBCP to everyone. Thank you.